In October 2024, humanity took a giant step towards solving one of the greatest mysteries in our solar system. NASA launched a $5 billion spacecraft called Europa Clipper on a journey to one of Jupiter's icy moons. Not to visit aliens, but to search for the most extraordinary thing in the universe: life. This isn't science fiction, this is real. And in this video, we're diving deep into why we're flying to Europa, what this mission hopes to discover, and how it could change everything we know about life in the cosmos. Europa Clipper is one of NASA's most ambitious planetary science missions. Launched on October 14, 2024, aboard a powerful Falcon Heavy rocket from SpaceX, the spacecraft is now on a 6-year voyage across the solar system. Its destination, Europa, one of Jupiter's 95 known moons. But here's the twist. Europa Clipper won't land. Instead, it will perform over 50 close flybys, gliding past Europa's surface again and again to map it in unprecedented detail. Why not land? Because what we want to study lies beneath the surface, and reaching that may not require touching down at all. Europa is a frozen world, just a bit smaller than Earth's moon. Its surface is a shell of water ice, or between 10 and 30 kilometers thick. But beneath that ice, a global ocean, salty, dark, and up to 100 kilometers deep. That's more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Scientists believe this hidden ocean might contain everything necessary for life: liquid water, chemical building blocks, and an energy source. And if life could arise in Europa's ocean, that means it could arise elsewhere too. The possibility of finding even the simplest life forms, like microbial extremophiles, would be nothing short of revolutionary. Europa Clipper is equipped with a full suite of scientific instruments designed to look beneath the ice. Without ever drilling, it will scan Europa's surface using ice-penetrating radar. It will measure magnetic fields to estimate the ocean's depth and salinity. It will analyze surface chemistry with spectrometers, and it will hunt for plumes, water geysers erupting into space from cracks in the ice. If Clipper catches one of these plumes, it can analyze the material directly, possibly even for organic molecules or signs of chemical activity consistent with life. This is astrobiology in action, a flying lab hunting for invisible clues from another world. What if we find life? Of course, we're not expecting tentacled aliens to wave hello, but what we might find is far more meaningful. Evidence of simple, microbial life. Something akin to the extremophiles on Earth that live near boiling ocean vents, thriving in total darkness, under immense pressure, in chemical-rich environments. If we find even a trace of life, even one biomolecule that couldn't have formed without biology, it would be a paradigm shift. We'd no longer wonder if life exists elsewhere. We'd know it does. And if it arose on both Earth and Europa separately, that means it might be everywhere. Europa Clipper won't reach its target until 2030, and the science will take time. But this mission is a turning point. Not just for Europa, but for how we explore the solar system. If we find compelling evidence, we may return with a lander. And not just to Europa, we might begin exploring other icy ocean worlds like Enceladus, Titan, or even the dwarf planets that may hide oceans under their crusts. Europa Clipper also has the potential to inspire a new generation of engineers, scientists, and dreamers, those who will carry us farther into the cosmos. In many ways, it's the first step toward a truly interplanetary future. The spacecraft is already in flight. It will be years before we know what it finds. But make no mistake, we are now part of that journey. Because when we look at Europa, we're not just looking at a moon. We're looking at a mirror, one that asks us who we are and who else might be out there. Subscribe to follow the mission and everything it might reveal. The future's out there, and we're on our way.